Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today I'm going to be doing my cash stuffing with you guys. So I have my budget planner here. I already went through and I calculated and I did all my tracking of my expenses for the week. This is something that I tried to film, and it just it is such a mind twist to for me to sit here and try to figure out if I overspent, where to pull that money from and figure it all out. So I just did that on my own. But basically this past week I went $76 over budget, which is not terrible. I've had worse weeks, and surprisingly, because I made a spontaneous purchase, I bought a rug at Costco, guys, and it was very expensive. So I had to cover my own butt with that and pull money from different envelopes. So shame on me for doing that. But anyways, not too bad considering that we had that purchase that was unexpected. But I do have some happy mail to get into before we do this cash stuffing. So this is from Veronica at Weekly Budget, and this is some pen pal mail. So we have happy October. Courtney, hey pen pal, welcome to the group. I'm excited to exchange with you. All of these are freebies on my Ko-fi for the month. I release challenges every Wednesday. Okay, so let me see what we have going on here. Okay, cute. We have little Krugers. I love that. That's so cute. Like little Caesars. Pizza. Oh, then we have a boo sheet. Boo sheet. Okay, and with some coffee cups. Cute. And then we have this scratcher, and it looks like it could also be like a roll and save here. So this saves 21 plus. So yeah, these must add up to 21, and then you can roll and save here. Cute. So go check out her Ko-fi, guys. I'm gonna be adding at least these challenges to my pen pal binder. I'll be able to fill in her envelope back here with these challenges, and then the scratch off one, I'll probably add that to my scratch and save binder on Wednesdays. So I don't know if you guys can hear it in my voice, but I am still not super sick, but it's just at that point where I still have the lingering cough and stuff, but I feel overall generally better. I just have a lot of congestion still. And so my voice sounds really weird, but honestly, it's not that bad. It's not as bad. I was in the middle of saying it's not as bad as I sound, and then I had a coughing fit. So it really isn't as bad as it sounds. But anyways, okay. We are gonna cash stuff this money. Let's count what we have today. So we have one, I'm gonna save the 50 for later because that always throws me off. 100, 2, 4, 6, 8, 200, 2, 4, 6, 8, 300, 2, 4, 6, 8, 400, 2, 4, 6, 8, 500, 2, 4, 6, 8, 580, 590, 6, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 700, 10, 20, 30, 730, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 800, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 900, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 930, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 70, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80, 1, 2, 3. So 983. Okay, I have budgeted here on my sheet 976, but the bank was closed, so I had to get all my bills in 20s, and so I have a few extra dollars. So if we have a few extra dollars at the end, future me, don't freak out. It's normal, it's fine. All right, so I am filming this really, really late on Tuesday night because I'm gonna post this video on Thursdays like I normally do. And tomorrow I really wanna go get my nails done after work because these are press-ons and they have been popping off, and you guys know I just can't stand it. Because I hate the feeling of like one nail being off. I just feel like it throws me off. And so I'm gonna go get my nails done. And then I have trivia with some friends at night, so I'm gonna go do that afterwards. And so I won't have time to film tomorrow night in order to get this up on Thursday. So there you go, my whole explanation. All right, in groceries, we are stuffing $40. In dining out, we're gonna do 60 to 46. I don't have Aria this week, so I don't need as many groceries. Dining out, though, it always gets me. It always does. It's just my life these days, and also just my life in general, because I can't tell you how many times I pack my lunch, you guys, and I end up not taking it with me. I leave it in the fridge, and then today I was like, I'm doing so good. I have my lunch packed and ready to go. I brought it with me in the car and made it into the car. And then I got to work, and then at lunchtime, gas is getting 25, by the way. At lunchtime, I go to like look in my fridge and pull it out, and it's not in my fridge. And then I realized I had left it in my car, and I didn't want to go like get it and eat it because it was chicken and it had been sitting in my car for like 4 hours. I was like, ew, no, I'm not going to eat that anymore. In fact, I think it's still in my car as we speak. Oh my gosh, I need to go get it. Guys, I'm literally the worst. Literally so type B. I was just on Amanda's live, Budget with Amanda, and we were talking about like type B and type A people. That is definitely type B, and that is me. All right, so cell phone is getting $10. We have 50, 60, 70, 80. Because like I can do the most to like be prepared and plan, and I still forget things, like things that are important, and it's not because I don't think they're important. Oh my goodness, you guys. All right, for hair, we're stuffing 10. So that has 50, 70, 90, 100, and 110. Insurance is getting 50, so we have 100 now in here. We just paid this month in October. We need $1,000 by April, so that is well on its way. Okay, that's it for now. I'm gonna come back to this binder later. Now I'm gonna pull $35 for our sinking funds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. What? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. Okay, that's gonna be for our sinking funds. I'm gonna come back to that though. Okay, and then money for our savings. So Sunday is getting 125. So 2, 4, 60, 70, 80, 91, 5, 10, 15, 20, and 25. Mini Monday is getting $30. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. Tiny Tuesday is getting 25. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My Wednesday binder is getting 100. So we have 2, 4, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. And Friday is getting 50. And I will just take this money and I'll go through and condense these envelopes and get change before I do my Friday video. And then my new pen pal binder is getting 80. So we have 2, 4, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 6, 7, 8, 9, 80. All right, so we got all of these. Business is going to be next. So for business this week, I got $336 with my Etsy Pay and my Ko-fi memberships. So we're going to stuff $100 into taxes, which is in my high priority binder. So in taxes, we have $500 in the bank, 6, 7, 800, 850, 870, 890, 895, 6, 7, 8, 9, 899. And I should probably take some of this money back to the bank. Right now I have all of this money sitting in a high yield savings account with Wealthfront. So that's where the $500 is. All right, so $100 went to taxes. I'm gonna pay myself $67. So 2, 4, 6, and 7 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I'm just gonna set this over here for now. My box challenge on Saturdays gets 125. I'm gonna do just 100 this week. Oh no, wait, I did budget 125. I don't know what I was looking at. Okay, yeah, 125, perfect. 2, 4, 6. Okay, so we should have 125 here. 2, 4, 60, 70, 80, 91, 5, 10, 15, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there's nothing in there right now because I need to cut up the next challenges that I'm going to be playing. All right, and then we have 44 left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that is left over, just pure profit from whatever, the store. Okay, so what I have decided, actually, okay, I'm not sure what I'll do with these. Maybe I'll use these in my secret stash. Okay, so let's do my sinking funds. So I'm gonna add some to self-care because I pulled some out to cover my butt with the rug. 5, 10, 15, 20, 50, 70. That should be enough for that. Okay, household has nothing because I just bought the vacuum thing. Entertainment has nothing. I'm gonna add 5 to that. I don't think I'm really doing anything this weekend. I think I'm just gonna stay home, work on some Etsy store stuff. I need to like create membership stuff and all that. So since I don't have Aria, I'm just gonna take advantage. Maybe I'll go to a coffee shop or something and do that. That'll be fun. Clothes has a decent amount, but I do think I want to add another 5 in here because I really want to buy, I don't know, something for the fall as the fall is coming up. Gifts doesn't have anything. Wellness has nothing. Car maintenance has 45. I don't really want to add anything to that right now. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have $5 left. Okay, we're gonna put that extra $5. We're gonna put it in clothes. Because I've been really wanting, I've been holding off, guys. I've been so good. I bought a rug, but I didn't buy clothes. And I really wanted to. And I haven't. Because I'm like, nope, I don't have the money for it. So, you know, you win some, you lose some. But, okay, so with my pay and the leftover, I'm gonna take the ones. Yeah, so 7 ones here and then 4 ones from that. And I'm gonna put them in my month ahead envelope that we do at the end of the month. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Okay, and honestly, as much as I would love to put all this money from paying myself and that was left over into just like my sinking funds and like buy what, like 2 shirts with this $100, I am really trying to save up money to add to my down payment for a house so that I can buy a house hopefully towards the beginning of next year. So I bought this 100 envelope binder. I got this on Amazon. It was like less than $10, okay? And so I think we're gonna cash stuff the 100 envelope. Okay, so I previously stuffed 50 and 12 in here the other day. I didn't do that I did that in like a short video. So now we have the biggest envelope finished, which feels amazing. And I think that moving forward, I'm gonna try to do that with any money that I pay myself from my side hustles and any money that is left over. And I'm gonna see how fast I can fill up these envelopes. So we have 3 done so far, and I just started this like this week. And so we have $162 stuffed already, which is awesome. And that is it for this video, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you all so much. If you are new here and you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye.